Okay, this is my Arduino setup, but I'm not using the Arduino. You can see there's no jumpers leading over there. Over here I've got my 5-volt power supply. It's an old cell phone charger I ripped apart and wired. And on the board I have some jumpers going to a switch. I have this black relay right here. Now this relay has 5 pins in the bottom. Let's see if we can get a good look at those pins. Kind of hard. This phone kind of sucks. Focus. But you can see there's 5 pins. Now, if we take a look at this relay, if we put a current through these 2 pins down here at this end, then what will happen at the other end with these other 3 pins is that one of these is normally open and one of these is normally closed. So when I plug in the relay, one of the LEDs will light, and when I hit the button, that light will go out and the other light will come on, right? So this pin over here is comm. That's just common between the two. And then this one over here is normally open, so that's like turning a switch off. And this middle one here, that's normally closed. That's the switch that'll always be on. So let's plug this guy back in. Now, you can see when we plugged it in, the LED came on. And that's because we're running some jumpers here. This is pretty crappy focus, but this guy in here is a resistor that goes from this line. Now if you don't know how a breadboard works, all of these, this whole row of pins are connected, and over here this whole stack of pins is connected. So this is a bus bar for the power, right? And then these are little bus bars for connecting in our bits and pieces. So when I plug in the relay connects to these resistors here and here. And then the resistor goes into the LEDs here and here. And then there's a jumper that goes from the other side of the LED to the positive on both sides, right? So when I hit this button right here, what'll happen is the red LED goes out and the yellow LED comes on, right? So it's pretty simple, just simple relay hookup, and we can do some crazy wiring, make things work differently. So just wanted to explain how a relay works and how to hook it up. So hope that helps anybody out there.